Step into the Infiniti 2017 Q50. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are graphite premium leatherette seating surfaces, pure white, Z66, activation disclaimer, J1, moonroof package included, power tilt and sliding tinted glass moonroof with one-touch open close and sliding sunshade, S55, literature KIT, turbocharged, rear-wheel drive, power steering and ABS. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.